This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Okay, so this is a 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I want to spread some black in hopes of making patterns that I want to add colors to later. This is Maiden Black. But before that, I'm going to go with patterns. So I'm going to use the Michaels.com tool. Okay, hello, I'm back. It's the next day and this is dry and it's looking kind of scary, but we're going to go for it anyway because I can. I'm going to use some Cerulean Blue, which is a Prizm pour. And I was going to use a different color, but I think I'm going to wait. This is Indigo Violet, another Prizm pour. And I have a new primary, new pure pigment, which is called Whispering Wisteria. And I'm not sure which ones are going to be opaque and which ones are going to be less see-through, but I'm going to wipe off my tools whenever I can. I'm going to try something else. I'm going to try some Orange Crush. I've got Hansa Yellow with Parrole Orange, Vivid Intense. And I'm going to indulge in a little bit of Rhapsody Rose, and I'm not sure how that's going to work. That's a primary element. I might want that with something else, like some pink carnation that I'm hoping is still staying mixed. It doesn't take much to remix it. So now I'm going to try the big brush. I think I'm going to do just pink carnation right there. Maybe, oh, I've got Cupid's Crush. Pink carnation, Prizm pour, Cupid's Crush, primary element. And, yep, more of the Whispering Wisteria. And I'm really kind of inclined to just nudge them right up against each other without any white in between. Let's see what happens. If I want some white in between, it's time to scrape it away. I'm hearing the call to some midnight shadow. Actually, I'm hearing the call to get rid of that paint. I like Midnight Shadow and Royal Sapphire together sometimes. I'm going to try and remember to keep my brushes clean. Let's grab the Midnight Shadow and the Royal Sapphire. Let's just put a ton of it up there. I might as well put some gold in pretty quick. You know what else I like with this? I like the Fandango. I know it's shook up from yesterday. Go back to the hopefully not too painty spatula. I am hearing the call to some vibrant aqua, a purely pigment. I think I'm going to like that. And a little more cerulean blue. And some more whispering wisteria. I'm going to go for some more Cupid's Crush. 2. There's no doubt about this. This is risky, but it's kind of fun taking chances. This is Decor America, kind of 24 karat gold. And I might invite in some dancing fuchsia. Yep. Cap down where I can find it. I like it when it's sheer and shows the patterns through. That's pretty wild. So I guess I'm going to move some paint around in just that way while I still can. And I think this paint's got to go too. While I still can. I think I'm being called to some purple. That's the Indigo Violet. I have another purple. I have perfect indigo. I've still got some greenish color on my spatula. I'm tempted to try a toothy tool, but I think I'm just going to scrape right now. while I still can. And a bizarre painting going on that I kind of like a lot. Thinking I need some more gold up here somewhere. But I'm also not minding the scrapings I've got. I'm really happy I can still do it. I wasn't sure I would be able to. Pretty cool, really. That's getting kind of dark. When that timer goes off, I'll be back, I guess. I wonder how light and bright the Whispering Wisteria will stay. I think it's time to clean off that muck. Put a little more dancing fuchsia in. And using a little more orange crush with it. And maybe some more Cupid's Crush. Oh, I found the Rhapsody Rose. And I'm not done enjoying what happens with that wisteria. It's time to clean off my spatula though. Maybe even throw it in the bucket and grab a new one. I'm going for even more of this. And I think in a second I'm going to use a little saffron, so maybe I'll do that first. And the pink carnation is calling me. Yes, okay. Kind of missing some yellow, but I kind of figure if there's some white left I might wind up doing something with that. For a while I didn't play with that pink carnation, and I don't know why, because it's awesome. It looks like I don't need to cover anything completely. I could use little white, leave little white accents in the background and be pretty happy. That's something that needs to go away. So I've learned something that I don't need to be so perfectionist about covering all the colors, covering all the white, I mean. And next time, if there's a next time if I do this, I'll be a lot less what? I'll be a lot less concerned. Alright, that's pretty cool, but I'm still going to put some gold in. need to put something in there. Risky at best, but still very cool. I know I'm talking a lot, but I don't think any of it's going to go into the final. Not sure about that. Not sure where to put my last little bits of paint. Just spreading the love. A little here, a little there. Why not a few dashes? Dashes and dots. Alright. I didn't know that I was going to be able to finish this. And I used up a lot of time. Maybe I'll run a long version and a short version. In any case, I like it a lot. It's exciting. And it's probably better than I anticipated when I saw the end of stage 1. I think I'm in love. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.